Children, yesterday we discussed up to 12 problems and up to 11 we discussed. 12th one and 13th one we are seeing now. 13th, 12th and 14th afterwards we'll see. Now see the 13th one. See here what he has given and what we have to find out. AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. Two lines are parallel. He has already given. And one more angle also he has given. Angle APQ is equals to 50 degrees. And one more angle PRD. This angle here also he has given. He asked you to find out angle X, angle Y. Angle X, angle Y we have to find out. See, first if you see AB is parallel to CD. When AB is parallel to CD, see, observe this angle, angle X and this one, angle APQ. APQ is equals to angle PQR. Angle PQR are equal. That is nothing but what angles that one? See, if you think this is these two are parallel lines and this is a transversal. If you observe this one, this angle and this angle, if you see this is a transversal. Angles alternate, interior alternate angles are equal. So angle X is equals to alternate interior angles are equal. So angle X is equals to 50 degrees. We found X. Now we have to find out the Y. Before going to find Y, see, observe just this one. If see, we don't know this angle. If these two angles, angle PRQ plus angle PRD is equal to 180. Why? Because it is a linear pair. That's why it is equals to 180 degrees. We already knew angle PRD is equals to 127 degrees. We don't know this one. Angle PRQ we don't know. So transpose this 127 to the right hand side. Angle PRQ is equals to 180 minus 127. 10 minus 7, 3. 7 minus 2, 5. 1 minus 1, 0. So 53 degrees. This angle is 53 degrees. So see, if you observe this triangle, in triangle, see, if you observe this triangle, in triangle PQR, sum of the three angles is equals to angle X plus angle Y plus this one, angle R not 53 degrees is equals to 180. Why? Because sum of the angles in a triangle is 180. We already learned this one in 8th class. We already learned this one. So angle X is equals to, we knew that one, 50 degrees. 50 plus angle Y plus 53 is equals to 180. Transpose this 50, 53. First add that one. 50 plus 53, 103 plus angle Y is equals to 180. So keep this angle Y left hand side. Transpose this one to the right hand side. 180 minus 103. So 10 minus 3, 7. Here 7. So here 1 only. 1 minus 1, 1 only. So 77 degrees. Angle Y is equals to 77 degrees. Angle X is equals to 50 degrees. We found X and Y. That only he asked you. So see this one. First these two are parallel lines. Alternate interior angles are equal. That's why we got this one. before going to find this y, first what I did, this is a linear pair, so I found this one and I took this triangle. In this triangle sum of the three angles is 180. I know this one and this one, I have to find out y. In that way I found that y. So we'll see the next problem, that is 15th one. See there, all are related to two parallel lines and one transversal. If you know that four rules, you can easily do all these problems. Okay, see here also he has given, he asked you to find out the x and y values, you have to find out. See here if AB is parallel to CD, that is given. See, this angle is equals to this angle, no? Why? Because EGC, angle EGC is equals to angle GHA. What are those angles? Corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. That's why I equaled that one. So here I will bring this one 2x and I will write here. See, if you see this one, this is a linear pair. Angle GHA plus angle GHB. Angle GHB is equals to 180. Why? Because linear pair. Linear pair. So these two angles, in these two angles, angle GHA is equal to 2x, GHB 3x is equals to 180. So 2x plus 3x, 5x is equals to 180. X is equals to, transpose this one. Here it is multiplying. If you transpose, it becomes division. 180 by 5. So 5 3 is 15. Again 3 6 36. X is equal to 36 degrees. X we got. Now we have to find out the y values. See, if you observe these two angles, we already knew this one. What is the value of 2x? These two angles, how the angles look like? The sum of the two angles on the same side of the transversal is equal to 180. We knew that 2x. What is 2x? 2x is equal to 2 into x means 36. Multiply. 2 6 12, 2 3 6 1 72. So 2x is equals to 72. We knew this one. We have to find out y. Angles on the same side. CGH. Angle CGH plus angle GHA. Angle GHA is equals to 180. What are those angles on the same side of the transversal? Angles on the same side of the transversal. Same side of the transversal. So 2x is equals to 72. CGH. Yes, CGH we don't know. Angle y. This one 72 is equal to 180. So angle y is equal to 180 minus, if you transpose this one, here it is plus. If you transpose, minus. 10 minus 2, 8. Here 7 minus 7, 0. Here 1, 108. So angle y is equal to 108 degrees. So thank you.